It's Friday. I can't wait to go sourcing tomorrow. I'm so excited. Sent out a bunch of offers to likers today, and I made some good sales. It's a good day. Today's video is a Poshmark Q&A. I promise I'm gonna have more content coming soon. I got a message from one of you guys saying that you love my Poshmark Q&As, but you like other content too. So I'm gonna be doing more like hauls and stuff like that. Gotta find the questions. Guys, my little man is 3 months old now. How did the last 3 months go by that fast? Like, look at this boy. He is so perfect. Look at him. Oh, maybe the man. Hey, first question is, what do you think about the new video feature? So Poshmark has a new feature where you can take a video on your listing. So instead of posting a picture, well, in addition to posting pictures, you can post a video too. What do I think about it? I think it's cool, but I don't got time for that shit. I don't, I think I might use it if I have an item that's like hard to photograph. Like maybe if I have like a super sparkly shirt and I really want to get, the glistens and the sparkles, then I'll make a video. Or again, if something is hard to photograph, yeah, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I don't have time to, make videos. These are the videos I make. I make YouTube videos. I'm not going to make Poshmark videos. I think it's great, but it's not something that I'm going to use unless an item really needs it. Next question. Hi, how would you recommend packing, shipping hunter boots? Thanks in advance. Okay, so I don't sell big boots. I have sold a pair of big boots before. I've sold like one pair of like knee-high boots, I think. And how did I package them? I had to do a Frankenbox. So I put together 2 USPS boxes. I don't remember which 2 boxes they were. I'm pretty sure they were just the regular shoe boxes. I will link Ryan and Lindsay's channel down below. Rinzy, I think they have a video where they show how they package like bigger items. If you don't know who they are, they sell shoes. That's all that they sell. So I know they have a video on their channel showing like how to package bigger shoes or like bundles of shoes. So I'll link their channel down below. Next question. I'm very untechy, so how do I ask a question? You're doing it. You're asking a question. I wanted to know why my offer to likers doesn't work on clear out days or anytime. Okay, so I don't know what you mean by this question. Do you mean that like it doesn't work, you're not able to get sales from it? Or do you mean it legit doesn't work? Like you're not able to do it? Please clarify, Cindy. Yeah, and I'll get back to this question in another video once I know exactly what you mean. Next question, do you ever model your clothing? Clothing. Someone wants me to model a dress, but I don't feel comfortable doing so. What should I do? So I don't model my clothing. I don't. And I don't know, I just don't want to. I'm actually gonna hire a model to model for me on Depop, because that's how you sell clothes on Depop. You gotta model them. I've been on there for a month or two, and I haven't sold anything yet. Trying to put like, trendy pieces on there, like vintage pieces, trendy, because it's geared toward younger folks. I haven't sold anything on there yet, and I think it's because I'm not modeling the stuff. I'm looking into hiring a model to do that. But anyway, to answer your question, I would just tell them like, nope, sorry, I don't model. Okay, next question. Thank you for the motivational, informative videos, Vanessa. Aw, you're welcome, Amy. Keep them coming. My question is, how do I get more likes on my items? I feel like no one ever likes my stuff. Girl, likes don't matter. They don't. You don't want people to like your stuff. You want people to buy your stuff. I think it's kind of an annoying feature because, some people like the items because, they like it, but they have no intention of purchasing it. And others like it because they, want to purchase it. So it's just, I don't know. I don't like the likes. I don't like the likes feature. But you don't want to strive for likes. You want to strive for sales. Again, if somebody likes your item, like, no, I don't want you to like it. I want you to buy it. You feel me? Last question. Hi, Vanessa. You said you started selling on Mercari. I'm curious how you think it compares to Poshmark. Okay, so I actually made a video, I think. I compared Poshmark and Mercari. I will link it down below. I don't remember what I said in that video. But I'll tell you my thoughts, my current thoughts on Poshmark versus Mercari. So yes, I have started selling on Mercari and I've been making good sales. One positive on Mercari is when people send offers, they can't send you like really lowball offers, so that's good. One negative thing about Mercari is the bundling aspect. Like, why can't you bundle things? I mean, you can bundle things, but you got to put them all in like one listing, and that's just annoying. I had one girl like literally like 40 things of mine, and she's like, oh, I want to buy all these. I'm like, okay, on Poshmark, you could just do add to bundle, add to bundle, add to bundle. But Mercari, I had to take pictures of like all the items and put them in a collage. It was just annoying. She didn't end up buying it either. It was such a waste of time. It really pissed me off, actually. Another thing that doesn't make sense. Why, Mercari? Why? Why do you do this? So when somebody purchases something from you and they, you know, get their item, they rate you, you cannot see their rating until you rate them. What? They say it's to protect the, what the fuck do they even say? To protect the buyer? What about protecting the seller? Because I'm going to show you guys this example. This happened to me yesterday, actually. So I sold a pair of pants to this girl, and she rated me. Of course, I can't see. It's a big fucking mystery. Big fucking mystery. What did she say? What did she say about me? I don't know. I have to rate her. Then I'll find out what she said about me. Like, it doesn't make any sense. Every other platform, like, you can see the rating. You don't have to rate other people. Well, on eBay. No, eBay you don't have to. It's optional. But Mercari you do if you want to get paid. Anyway, so yeah, she rated me, and she gave me 2 stars. And she said, just really wide-legged and are big, but it's fine. Thank you. I'm like, 2 stars because they don't fit you. That fucking makes sense. That makes sense. So of course, me being the nice person, I gave her 5 stars. But if I was able to see that review before, bitch probably wouldn't even get 1 star. It doesn't make any sense. I don't know. They say it's to protect the buyer. What about the seller? 1 2-star rating because of her. And it's not even my fault. Like, it's, oh, they're really wide legged. Yeah, the title of the friggin' listing was wide leg sweatpants. Really wide legged and are big, but it's fine. Thank you. Like, 2 stars. Like, what? What? Mercari, it doesn't make any sense. Does not make any sense. Doesn't make any sense. Stop it. I feel like I can make an updated Poshmark versus Mercari video. I think I'll do that. The fees on Mercari are cheaper, which is, you know, obviously better. Poshmark is the most expensive at 20%. I actually read an article today, or like skimmed through it. I didn't actually like read it. But it was talking about how, what was the title of the article? Hold on, let me pull it up. My girl Jade, who is Fashion Without Trashin on Instagram, she put it in her story, or the link to it. So the title of the article is Poshmark is a waste of time for sellers, and they go into detail why. I'll link that article down below if you guys are interested in reading it. I actually might read it. Oh, they talk about ThredUp here. Oh, guys. Fuck ThredUp. Seriously. Fuck them. So, this is just a little ThredUp rant, little bonus content. So I ordered a pair of shoes from them. They are Adidas NMDs. They are green and black. They were listed on the website as a women's size 8.5. Got the shoes. Tried them on. They're not a women's 8.5. They're a men's 8.5. Fucking ThredUp. I have the shoes listed in my closet. I mean, they're 6 shoes. They just are too big for me. They're equivalent to a women's size 9.5. I like excellent condition too. I'll show you a picture of them. This is what they look like. And you know what? This is ThredUp's picture. I didn't take this picture. I know I preach about, you know, don't use stock photos, but ThredUp, when you fuck me over, I'm gonna use your photos. Yeah, more. So yeah, these are the shoes if you want to buy them. They're in my Poshmark closet. I'll give you a deal. All right, so that is it for this video. Hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.